Hey guys, Tech Tip Tuesday. Eric here with The Loop. I wanted to talk today about a really cool partner we have called ACInfinity. ACInfinity makes some of the best looking whisper quiet cooling solutions for audio video equipment in racks or in cabinets. So one of their solutions is this, which is super pretty if you're kind of dorky like me. I think it's pretty amazing. This is what's referred to as a 2U vent kit. So 2 rack units, so it's 3.5 inches tall, has rack ears on it, so it can mount directly into an equipment rack. Nice little LED or LCD display here that lights up. Really pretty display. Integrated heat sensor in it, so they turn on and off based on temperature. Includes 4 fans, so this is the kind of thing you put in above an audio video receiver, above a satellite box, or maybe above a movie server, something similar that's just pushing out a bunch of heat. Cool thing is they are available in both an intake and an exhaust. So really cool product, and the price point is just unbelievable for our clients. Unbelievable in a good way. These are roughly half the price of Middle Atlantic cooling kits. So one like this, fully outfitted, you're talking like 150 bucks. And the fans are so quiet in this, you can't even hear them. It is that amazing of a product. So really cool. This one by ACInfinity. I'm also gonna show you one for cabinets. Okay, and then when we look at cabinets, so here's an example, super pretty, right? So this one, what's really cool, you actually end up with 2 separate fan modules, an intake and an exhaust. So these work really good when you're trying to move air, into the cabinet and then out. So you go ahead and mount one of these up top, mount another one down low. They wire in together to the same speed controller with temp sensor, which is this little piece right here. So when it's lit up, super sharp looking piece, really nice display here. You mount this on the side of the cabinet. Again, has an integrated temp sensor, adjusts the fans dynamically based on the amount of heat in your cabinet. Okay, awesome solution. So these are 2 of the most common ACInfinity products that we sell. They have a full plethora of products to adapt to every specific project, but we just love the guys. They're great to work with, awesome warranty, and we just love integrating them into our projects to get that heat out of there and make sure our clients' equipment lasts a long time. So that's your tech tip for today. Have a great one.